the next day.
Name something you might hurt yourself riding on.
Oh, Lord. You know what I'm thinking?
Dang. This video is for entertainment. Don't take this video serious. This is all a script, gangy. Yo.
Hey.
How you doing?
Huh?
I said, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Great. How old are you?
Huh?
Age. Age. What is your age?
18, my bad.
I like your hair.
Thank you. How are you?
18 too.
Period.
Where you from?
Cali.
California. Like what's the word? I'm from California too.
Where?
Palmdale.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah, like what is Palmdale like? It's like a desert city. Like it's dry.
Is that like in LA?
It is in LA.
Okay.
It's like an hour away from LA though.
Oh.
But how does your fit look like right now?
You got, my little top, and then we got my little drawers, and yeah.
Type shit, okay. How long did it take to do your hair? It looked like it took a long time to do. You be doing dreads?
Huh?
You be doing dreads?
Yeah.
Type shit. What's your Instagram?
Oh, you want it?
Yeah.
Hey.
I like your smile.
Thank you. I think I typed it right.
Okay, like she want me. She want. Bro, these niggas are so weird, dog. Like,
up out of here. Yeah, get
yo,
that ugly ass up out of here. He knew better. Yo.
Nah, you look good.
Thank you.
How old are you?
18.
Where you from?
LA.
Like, what's the word? Like, I'm from LA too.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, your shit's at Palmdale. I've actually never been up there, I'm gonna be honest.
Nah, you gotta come. What's your Instagram?
I don't drop my Instagram on here no more. I ain't gonna lie.
I want to get to know you, like, and shit.
Do you? How old are you?
I'm 18.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why is your shit 21?
Because
you had to change.
I put the wrong age in here.
Okay, I see. Yeah, I'll drop it anyway.
Yeah. Do you just do your hair?
Why?
Nah, because I like it.
Thank you. No, I didn't just do it. My hair's been done for like hours now.
Oh, type shit.
Yeah.
I gotta text you that shit.
Okay.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
Yo.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Good.
You look like you're fried or something.
Just a little bit.
Why she got flash in the back? Is she looking for something? Like ghost or something? She's
Looking
ghost
for the
busting?
lighter, bro.
Oh, she's looking for a lighter. Okay. How old are you guys?
We're 18. Yeah.
What?
We're 18.
18. What year were you guys born?
2005.
2005. What month?
August 2nd.
August.
December.
December.
August.
So your birthday's coming up.
What?
Yeah, they're fried. Like, they're really fried. Well, your birthday's coming up. What are you about to do for your birthday?
Oh. I don't know yet.
Nah, you got a pretty smile.
Thank you.
Where you from?
Cali. Her birthday's in
Nah, we both in Cali. What's the word?
Please, please.
Bro, James should get you shrooms for your birthday, bro.
Should, bro.
Now, what's your Instagram? You look good.
Who?
You.
Oh. I'll take it.
What's your name?
Leah.
Nah, that's a pretty name.
That was hard as fuck, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna text you.
Okay.
All right.
Yep. You asked for it, bitch.
Bomber clap.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Over here.
Yo,
Yeah.
how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I like your hair.
Thank you. I like your hair.
Appreciate that. How old are you?
19.
18?
19.
19, okay.
Like,
What's Monteroe? Where you from?
California.
California. What part? 'Cause I'm from Cali too.
The Bay Area, like Oakland.
Bay Area. You ever heard of Pondo?
Yeah, that's like towards LA, huh?
Yeah, it's like the boring part. Like it's like desert.
Yeah, yeah, I think so. No,
Type shit.
California is big as fuck.
Like, how tall do you like your guys?
Taller than me. I'm 5'3".
5'3", nice. Perfect guy.
Stop
Be,
licking my fucking.
be honest, be honest. Am I your type?
Yeah, I'm more of a personality person and mentality.
That's
so,
me too. Like, you got like an Instagram or something?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram? 'Cause I might want to text you. Bringing a paper.
Huh?
Bringing a paper.
Oh no, I'm drawing right now.
Oh, I thought you was about to give me your Instagram.
Oh yeah. I'll type it in right now.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I'm an airhead.
Like the way you laugh.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna text you like word.
Alright.
You gonna phone me back?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. I'll see you.
Alright, bye.
We gonna be like this on tour.
Yo,
Yo,
how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
That's great. How old are you?
I'm 18.
18? I like your hair. Why are you so quiet? Is it like
Because
late?
people keep on skipping me. It's lucky.
Oh, it's tight shit.
Huh?
Like, tight shit. Okay. How tall are you?
I'm 5'5".
Can you like stand up?
I don't have nowhere to set my phone.
You don't got like a what's it called, like a water bottle or something?
No.
Damn. How tall are you?
I'm 5'5".
Just 5. Damn, you short, like for real. It's crazy.
5'5".
What's winging? Is that like
I
a
weigh
stick?
195.
Damn, you should. Man, I really crush you. Okay. What state are you from?
I'm from New York.
Everybody's from New York. Like, what part? What borough?
Harlem.
Harlem? You think that's the best borough? How does your face look like? Tight shit. Okay. You look good. You got like an Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
Ready to make a big difference in your future? We're Bryant and Stratton College. We've been meeting you where you are and getting you where you want to be faster. With
Tight shit.
and on.
Alright, I'll text you.
Your route.
Yo.
Yo,
How you doing?
I'm good, good. How are you?
Great. How old are you?
Wrong.
12?
I said grown. What?
Oh, what does grown
You
look
look
like?
grown?
Is that 18?
Something like that? Like, what is grown to you?
Okay, okay, tight shit. Nah, I like your piercings.
Thank you.
Where you from?
I'm from Milwaukee. Where you from?
California. Smile one more time. Smile one more time. I like your smile. What do you like to do with that mouth?
Eat.
You got me.
Just
Eat
eat.
salad.
So you like eating salad? Be honest. You be working out?
No, I don't work out, but I like eating salad. Like, you don't gotta work out to eat salad.
I know, but I'm just saying like that's something I like to do.
Eat, talk, be messy, smile.
Tight shit. You like guys that work out?
I don't like guys at all.
Huh? You're gay?
I wouldn't say I'm gay. It's the right dude.
Damn, that's crazy. So you want switch for me?
And that's true.
Well, I think you look good to be gay. That like word.
Thank you.
You got like an
I
Instagram?
just like nothing. Oh no. Yeah, I got Instagram.
What's your Instagram?
Where's the like that we just
Who's
had?
Bree? Are you Bree?
You see my twin? You see my twin?
I see that shit. Can I get like
Anyway,
Can I get like a 360?
a 360? Can I get a 360?
Of course, I'll stand up right now. And shit. But I asked you first.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay.
Y'all know what's going on. And so do I.
I'll fuck with it.
Thank you.
What?
It ain't not too much. I said thank you.
Yeah, what's your Instagram?
I need pesos 3.
No, like put it in the chat.
Oh my god.
I got
People
you.
keep telling I'm gonna just copy and paste my Instagram just so people can just like
Oh, it's long?
no, it's right there.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay, I got you. Nice shit. Okay.
Don't be bullshitting. If you're gonna follow me, but if you're not,
She want me. She want me. She want me. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Like, you can press the video right here. Or this video right here. Like, all these are bangers. So it only takes like 2 seconds, dog. Like what are you guys doing? Like, you can also follow the Instagram. Like, takes like 2 seconds also. Like, come on, dog. Gang.